guys, we're here at the brand new Sugar Factory at the Seminole Hard Rock in Tampa. We have the s'mores campfire milkshake right here and the tie-dye milkshake right over here. I'm about to drink both of these, so don't judge me.
Take a look at the King Kong sundae, featuring 24 scoops of ice cream and over a dozen toppings. Happy birthday to me.
Well, the Sugar Factory isn't just a candy store, it isn't just a restaurant, we're actually a whole experience. You know, they always say you eat with your eyes first, and it's definitely visually appealing as well as taste. It tastes just as good as it looks, I promise you that. We could talk about it all day, but until they actually come out here and experience it for themselves, they won't really know what Sugar Factory is all about.
Welcome to Sugar Factory!